What is going on, guys? My name is Toddy137, and today we're gonna discuss about top 7 credit cards of 2020 with zero annual fee. Before we continue, please hit that subscribe button as well as the like button because it's gonna help me with the algorithms and help me rank, as well as help me produce more content for you guys to help you guys out in the future. Thank you. Let's get started. There's different types of credit cards. Some you know as travel cards, rewards cards, cashback cards, miles, secured, gas and restaurant types of cards. Today I'm gonna discuss my two favorite, which is the cashback cards as well as the rewards. These two are very broad and helps you gather most amounts of bang for your buck, as well as helps you out more. Specific type of cards such as secured, gas and restaurant, as well as miles credit cards are very specific, and it's very for small population of people, so I'm not going to discuss about that. So what you need to do before you get started with credit cards is, if you don't even have a credit card and you're a student, I would say uh, go to your any bank that you are, such as Wells Fargo, Bank of America, or Chase, and get any of their student cards. It's gonna be trash, but you need something to get started so you can move up to better credit cards as you build more credit history, as well as gain the reputation of other places. One thing I recommend for people that are just starting to get a credit card, or people that are still using a credit card, is don't spend more than you have. For example, in your bank or at cash at hand, if you have $200, do not spend more than $200 swiping your credit card. That is not good, because not only are you risking yourself of having a fee if you don't pay it by the end of the month or by the end of your billing period, you also are risking having a lower credit score, as well as losing reputation uh, in the eyes of either the bank or the credit bureau. Coming in at 7th place is the Target Red Card. Target Red Card allows you to save 5% on retail store or on online purchases. It also helps you save 5% on clearance items, 5% on top deals of the week items, as well as 5% on any of the in-store Starbucks, as well as 5% on specialty gift cards. You are not allowed to use this credit card at any other stores, but it's very good for people who shop at Target a lot or live near Target, because you're most likely spending a lot of money there, and saving 5% is very amazing. Coming at 6th place is the Discover Student Cashback Card, or the Discover Cashback Card. The only difference between the two is that the Student Cashback Card, you can get a $20 on your statement every year if you have a GPA of 3.0 as a student for the next 5 years. Other than that, there's no difference. Let's talk about why the Discover Cashback Card is good. It's amazing for beginners. If you never had a credit card before and you don't want to get a starter card at your local bank, you can start with this Discover Cashback Card because it has a higher approval rating. The benefits of using the Discover Cashback Card is you can save 5% on Amazon, restaurants, gas stations, and even when using PayPal. These gas stations and PayPal can be, like, let's say January to February, and from, let's say, March to April, it's restaurants and PayPal. It's not all at once. Every quarter or every 2 months, it's different places where you can save the 5% cashback. But if anything outside of these 4 locations, you save 1%. You can redeem your cash rewards at any amount at any time. Your cash rewards do not expire. Your first late payment won't raise your APR, as well as no late fee for the first late payment, no over limit or foreign transaction fees, as well as you get a cashback match. For example, if you have earned like $30 worth of cashbacks in a year, after 365 days or a 12 billing month, you get another cashback match, so another $30 on top of that. So in a year, after the first year, you get $60 of cashback rewards. Coming at 5th place is the American Express Cash Magnet. This allows you to get unlimited 1.5% cashback, as well as a $200 bonus when you spend $1,000 or more in the first 3 months. The downside of this card is that there is a foreign transaction fee that you have to worry about, but if you are traveling to a foreign country, you can use this next card that I'm going to talk about. Coming at fourth place is a Quicksilver Capital One credit card. This credit card is very similar to the American Express Cash Magnet card, such as it gives you unlimited 1.5% cash back for all purchases. The benefit is if you spend $500 or more in the first 3 months, you get a $150 bonus, as well as it does not have a foreign transaction fee. Coming in third place is the Wells Fargo Propel American Express credit card. This card allows you to earn 20,000 bonus points when you spend $1,000 or more in the first 3 months. That 20,000 bonus points is basically a $200 cash redemption value. This card allows you to earn 3 times more points on eating out and ordering in, traveling, including flights, hotels, homestays, and car rentals, on gas stations, ride shares, and transit, on popular streaming services such as Hulu, Netflix, or more, as well as 1 times more points on other purchases. Another benefit to this card is that it does not have foreign transaction fees, meaning that if you swipe this card in a foreign country, it would not accumulate fees. This puts this card as the best no foreign transaction fee card because the next two I'm going to mention, the second place and the first place card, do have a foreign transaction fee. Shabangers! Coming at second place is the Chase Freedom Unlimited credit card. This card gives you unlimited 1.5% cash back on all purchases. This card also gives you a $200 bonus when you spend $500 or more in the first 3 months. The benefit to this card is that it doesn't have a minimum redemption amount, meaning you can redeem your cash back at any amount at any time. However, the only problem about this card is that it does have a foreign transaction fee that you have to know about. But other than that, it's an amazing card. That's why it's at second place. The moment you guys been waiting for. This card is number 1 credit card in my list because of many reasons. You guys sat and watched this entire video to know what the number 1 credit card is with 0 annual fee. And I'm gonna say it is a Citi Double Cash card. This card gives you 2% cash back on all purchases. 1% when you purchase the item, and then when you pay off that item, you get another percent. However, this card does have its downsides, and these 2 minor downsides aren't that big of a deal, but I'm going to tell you them. It does have a foreign transaction fee as well as a $25 cashback redemption. But an average American at least spends $300 a month swiping their credit card. And if it does give a 2% cashback, then it will take about 3 to 4 months to hit that $25 mark in order to cash it out and either use it for your next purchases, or you can just put it on your statement. Other than that, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. My name was Toddy137. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and always have a wonderful day. Bye bye. Coming in at 7th place is the Target Red card. Another benefit to this card is that it does not have foreign transaction fees, meaning that if you swipe this card in a foreign country, it will not accumulate fees. Coming in at 2nd place is a Chase Freedom Unlimited credit card. This credit card gives you a 1.5% cash back on every Shabangers! Goddamn! 2nd place! Another benefit. Alright. Another benefit to this. Coming at 2nd place, Shabangers. Shabangers, this is the 2nd. Credit card. Shabangers! The best thing about this credit card is it does not have a redemption amount.
A redemption amount?
Shh.
What the fuck is that?
Babe!
A redemption amount.
This credit card. Fuck.
Remember when
Let's
your
put
mom
you
put
there.
your beef jerky in the fridge and you were
Seriously, my mom put my beef jerky, my jerky. Can you believe it? Jerky. My mom put it in the fridge. Can you believe it, Chantal?
No,
I don't believe it. Anyways,
Shebangers.
shabangers.